Sure. I'm right good.
Your thought on the first half?
Uyabona first half ibhlungu ngoba sisishawa baslita right now ne, but then we cannot blame the coach for starting lineup sakhe because naye he believed ukuthi sizokwenza something good yabo, and you know ukuthi I mean the way baqale ngakhona bona njengoba baslita thina masizala thina sizelana sithi sizowina 2-1, so they scored first, so it's time ukuthi manje sibuye senzeni si equalize sishaye winning goal. It's been said ukuthi coach wethu he never comes back from a we concede first akabuyi back, so today is the day we're gonna break a record. He's gonna break a record for Bafana Bafana, and Bafana Bafana is gonna break a record ukuthi we're gonna come back from one defeat and take a 2-1 win. Yeah.
Another thing is what are the changes? This is what thing are going to second half just to get that goal or that 2 goals for Bafana Bafana.
Yeah, I said it before, Uti Umfukeng was gonna be my game changer. Manje, according to his starting lineup sakhe, wonke ama-flanks wethu including Fukeng, yibo abantu abazoba i-game changer. Mele change all that attacking force, because remember when we attack with those players, we are more stronger. Yes, that's what we need right now. We need Mfukeng there. We need number 7 Reta Police Samtinga. Yes, and we're definitely gonna get a goal right now.
Thank you.
Thank you.